Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to change the number of sides on the Polygon tool in Adobe Illustrator. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the very first step you can do, you can open this Illustrator and you can start to create your blank page or the blank of the project. You can click this create new and you can choose the measurement of your paperwork. You can give the name here, width, height, and also the pixels or the centimeter. Which one of the measurement do you want here? And here I will prefer to use the landscape, but if you'd like to make it into the portrait, it is very okay, you can go with it, and after that you can continue to click create. Well guys, you can start to create your polygon tool by finding this polygon, or create the polygon by finding the polygon tool into this rectangle tool and give the right click, and you'll see this will be the polygon tool that you can use now. And after that you can start to decide how many sides that you would like to present or show into the polygon. And if you would like to try this first step or this first alternative, so make sure you give the double click of this polygon tool 1 2 3, and as you can see, before I draw the polygon here, this polygon tool will give me the setting about the radius and also how many sides. For example, I will create it to be 6 sides and click OK, and you can start to move this by go to the selection tool and move it here. And for example, I want to create the 7 sides of this polygon, and if you already make it by this 6, don't worry, because you can go back to this polygon tool again, click this, and after that you can start to select your or put your cursor into this formerly polygon and give the double click, so it will direct you into this section that you can start to create the another polygon that have the different size or the number of the sides. For example, here I will choose to be 7 and click OK, and it will give you the another polygon tool. And if you would like to let's say move the object, you can go to this selection tool and move wherever you want, or you can also keep it into this polygon tool, but keep or make sure that this cursor put into the middle of this object, and you can start to move it and hold it like this. So this is gonna be the way to create your polygon shape into your Adobe Illustrator. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.